In this video, we will learn how to perform mathematical operations on complex numbers. We will start with addition and subtraction. Suppose we have two complex numbers, z1 and z2, and we want to add them. Addition is very simple and straightforward. When adding, you add the real part of the first complex number to the real part of the second complex number. In this case, you add 2 and 7. Similarly, you add the imaginary parts of both complex numbers. That is, you add 3j and 5j. Adding the real parts, 2 plus 7 gives 9, which is a real number. Adding the imaginary parts, 3j plus 5j gives 8j. So, the sum of z1 and z2 is 9 plus 8j. Subtraction is similar to addition. To subtract two complex numbers, subtract the real part of the second complex number from the real part of the first complex number. In this case, subtract 7 from 2. Similarly, subtract 5j from 3j. Doing this gives minus 5 minus 2j, so addition and subtraction are very simple and straightforward mathematical operations on complex numbers. Now, let us move on to multiplication and division. Starting with multiplication, multiplying two complex numbers z1 and z2 is also not very difficult. In multiplication, the real and imaginary parts of the first complex number are multiplied with both the real and imaginary parts of the second complex number. Let us see how this works. First, multiply the real part of the first number, 2, with the second complex number, 7 plus 5j. Then multiply the imaginary part of the first number, 3j, with the whole second complex number. Multiplying these gives 2 times 7, which is 14. 2 times 5j is 10j, 3j times 7 is 21j. The last step is very important. 3j times 5j is 15j squared. From previous knowledge, we know that j squared equals minus 1. So 15 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 15. Combining the terms, 14 minus 15 is minus 1. And 10j plus 21j is 31j. Therefore, the final answer for multiplying these two complex numbers is minus 1 plus 31j.